like, but I'm letting my friends do the sound effects. Let's get starting. So, what is the sound effect? Wait. Tell me a sound effect when you're touching the ground like this. Whee! Okay.
So whee is the ground.
Yeah, okay. Let's try it. Create a sound effect while you're touching double walls.
Okay. Double!
Okay, let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Double!
Okay, now the branches. Choose a sound effect for branches.
Okay, branches is
Okay, wow. Okay, let's go! And now for the wall. Like in the whole map, like yeah, you know.
It's gonna be, wait, I need to see how. Just plain wall.
Okay.
Wall.
Subscribe! Okay, bye-bye.